Hey guys, welcome to the Agile Lexicon video series. I'm Luca Leonte and today we will look into the expected benefits and potential pitfalls of the practice of using a product backlog. Product backlog items act as placeholders for future conversations about an option for achieving your desired outcome. That means a team doesn't have an idea fully fleshed out before adding it to the backlog. When an item is initially added to the backlog, it only needs to have enough information to remind the team what the option was. A product backlog item only needs to be fully described when a team is about to start work on it. The dynamic nature of the backlog provides teams a way to manage their learning about the desired outcome and potential ways to deliver that outcome. The product backlog does not need to be complete when a team starts the work on it. So the team can start with an initial idea and add new backlog items as they learn more. Just because something is on the backlog doesn't mean that it has to be delivered. So a team can remove backlog items that they discover do not contribute toward achieving the desired outcome. This means that a team can avoid producing extraneous outputs that do not add value and spend their time working on truly valuable changes. Teams can use the backlog to avoid wasting time debating whether an option is valuable or not based on limited information. When a new idea presents itself, the team can add a backlog item as a reminder to investigate the idea further. The team can then prioritize consideration of that idea alongside other items and remove the backlog item if the idea proves to not provide progress toward the desired outcome. Now, the product backlog should not be confused with the requirements document. While it serves as an entry point to requirements information about the product, it has some distinct differences from requirements documents. Backlog items are necessary but not sufficient to describe the intended changes to the product. A complete understanding of the product comes from conversations that occur about the individual product backlog items and supplementary information that a team chooses to record about the product backlog item. In contrast to something that appears in a requirements document, the inclusion of a backlog item in the backlog does not guarantee that it will be delivered. In contrast to requirement documents which are baselined and are expected not to change after a certain point, the product backlog evolves as understanding of the product evolves. If a team starts using an electronic tool before they have settled on their approach to backlog management, the tool can drive a team's approach to backlog management. The team may also get hung up in how to use the tool rather than selecting the process that works best for them. It's possible for a backlog to get too large to be effectively managed. This happens if a team adds every idea that gets suggested for addressing the outcome, but never explores the ideas or removes the items that won't be delivered. Product backlogs can also grow to an unmanageable size if all large product backlog items are split into smaller backlog items too far in advance of when the team will actually work on them.